happy to welcome you all to our 24th year of the historic Expo celebration.
We believe that our Jamaican culture is very rich. We have a wonderful heritage.
Cool. We're enjoying the vibe, the energy, the DJ, the music.
We talk about the heroes, so it is best for them to come and see.
The dancing, because I love to dance.
I really like the performances that they put on the stage. Today was fun, wonderful, and I enjoyed myself.
I deem it a pleasure because for what is happening in school now, we need to capture them and to get them on the right path.
I think today the goal was met. We can see from the excitement on their faces that we package it in such a way that although we are teaching, we give them some excitement.